to TonyaLTV. I want to take a few moments to tell all of my subscribers, I love you. I noticed that I am over 500. Yay! Thank you for supporting, liking, commenting, and subscribing. And those of you that rang the bell, thank you so much. Alrighty, guys. I believe at 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. Alright, guys, let's get started. So today I wanted to do something just a little bit different than I normally do. So I've been seeing this big thing with cauliflower here and there. People are making it like wings and this and that and that and this. Well, I've made the cauliflower into a, what do you call it? Alfredo sauce. And I loved it. So I have been waiting and thinking. I said, we're gonna try this together. So while I have you here and all eyes are on me, we're gonna make these cauliflowers together. I already have the cast iron in the back with that nice oil heating up for them. We're gonna fry these things and see just what the hype is. All right, guys, let's get started. So I have already cut them out, and you just want them little pieces so they look like little chicken wings. All right, guys, so in this bowl right here, I have flour and also a little cornstarch. In this bowl right here, I have pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And in this bowl here, I have a little bit of bourbon and an egg. And we're gonna mix it up, make it a batter, and keep pushing. Over here, I have seasonings, honey. I have smoked paprika. I have pepper. I have mustard powder, onion and garlic powder, and we're gonna put this over our cauliflower all the way through it, honey. Some of it wants to hang out. All right, we're gonna put it all the way through it. Yes. And I'm gonna add a little bit of my Himalayan. And a little bit over here as well. We're gonna mix this up. Alright, so in this bowl, I just want to mix this around here like so. And then this one, we're gonna get those seasonings and everything mixed around. Dump our egg and bourbon right on in here. Mixing sloppy. It smells good. I'm getting ready for this. Fabulous. I just got to see this, you guys. Really? Okay. I had to clean that up. What is it? Sloppy Saturday? Get it together, Tonya. Okay, I'm going to continue to mix this around. And you want your batter kind of like that. I added a little bit of water to kind of get it to loosen up just a bit. Get started. Alrighty, so I'm going to take my first little cauliflower. We're going to dip it over into the flour and cornstarch. Bring it over into our batter. And place it here. I'm going to keep doing this and get it over there frying, honey. Alright, I will be back. Alright, guys, these smell really, really good. Okay, guys, in this one, I have my butter, and I'm going to add some of this red hot into it. Get ready to make a sauce. Okay, and then I'm going to add this chili garlic. Jack Daniels. Ginger paste, soy sauce, honey, lemon juice, ketchup. Alright, now that these are out of that hot oil, I am going to sprinkle a little bit of Himalayan salt right over these guys, and that should be enough. We have our sauce that we made. Honey, we're gonna just begin to drizzle it right over the top. All right. Let's get it over the top of it, hun. Ooh. I cannot wait for this because, of course, I was tasting the sauce, and the sauce is good. It's like a spicy and sweet sauce. Okay, hen. Alright, I gotta try these, guys. Alright, we're gonna learn together if they're really just that great. Make sure I have a lot of sauce on my, let's see. You know what? These are good, guys. I like them. Oh my goodness. Now I understand what the hype was about. Alright guys, stick with me. Like I said, I will give you more details closer to the time about this 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And yeah, guys, you know what to do if you haven't already subscribed. Go ahead and do it. Ring the bell so you know each and every time I bring a video. Give me that thumbs up. Alright guys, you know what to do. Live, love, laugh, and create. Until next time, guys. Bye.